In this video, I'm going to show how to start a new report. So double click the desktop QuickCLIK icon. Microsoft Word will start a new inspection report. First, I'm going to show importing from ISN. So click the arrow in the row field, select the number from the drop-down list. When the correct inspection is in the client field list, click import and then click OK. The save prompt starts and suggests today's date for a name. You could create a folder for the inspection, open it, and then save the file. You might get a prompt to upgrade file to current version, just agree and move on. Save changes to the template, click yes. And now the information has been populated into the report. You can also type in the information. First, start a new report and type in the client's first name and last name. You don't have to capitalize it, it'll automatically capitalize the first letter. And you can also capture the client's email and phone number with this form. With the phone number, you just have to type the numbers, not any of the formatting. It'll automatically add that for you. Type in the inspection address, the inspection city, the state, we'll assume Texas since we're in Texas. Add the zip code, square footage of the house, age or year of the house, either one. If you know it's 2 years old, you can put 2 and it'll automatically figure out the year. Type in the inspection fee, the date. You just have to enter the 2-digit month and 2-digit year. You can also capture the real estate office, agent's first and last name. There's a new option to export this information to Excel. So once you have all the information entered, you click on Export to Excel, and you'll see the little pop-up confirming that it has in fact been exported to Excel. You can open up the Excel spreadsheet, just click on the QuickCLIK editing and select Open Export Data, and you'll see the export data with the new information added at the bottom.